Aloha, this is Jerry. Just wanted to show you my friend Cassandra's Volcano Inn again, because she did such a good job on it. That's a skylight up there at the top. Stained glass volcano in it. That's pretty cool. The entrance is really neat. Looks like you're going in a lava tube. This section over here is the bathroom. Has another skylight on it. For all you guys who want to do something different, this lady did something really different. And then check this out. She has these beautiful round windows. Mosquito netting built in around it. Yeah, so that's a tour of the outside of the Volcano Inn. Yep. Pretty cool. You guys should come to the Big Island and visit us. You can also check out our tree houses that are up on the volcano on this same channel.